Individuals who are in need of Social Security disability benefits are already under a great deal of strain. Sifting through the many requirements and mountains of paperwork to apply for Social Security only serves to make things harder. With the help of a disability lawyer, your odds of receiving approval upon appeal go up significantly. Keep watching to find out more about why you should hire a disability lawyer and why they're a better option than a disability advocate. Application and appeal. A great deal of paperwork is required to apply for Social Security disability. You'll be required to provide clear documentation of your disability from start to finish. It must be plainly stated that you've been unable to work full-time for 12 months or will be unable to work full-time for 12 months. If the initial Social Security application is denied, your next step is to file an appeal, also known as a request for reconsideration. This must be done within 60 days. If you don't already have a disability lawyer at this time, it's recommended that you get one. If the request for reconsideration is also denied, it's time to file a request for a hearing within 60 days of receiving the denial. Disability lawyers. While it's true that disability advocates have knowledge of and experience with the Social Security disability application process, their expertise does not compare to a lawyer's. Disability lawyers have unique training in cross-examination. When it comes time to cross-examine expert medical and vocational witnesses, lawyers will be able to spot weak points in their testimony. This is important because by the time you reach the hearing level, most of your personal documentation will already be on the table. Your case comes down to what those expert witnesses do with that documentation and how your disability lawyer challenges them. Disability lawyers are also more up to date on relevant case law. Pointing to previous court rulings regarding Social Security disability could make or break your case. In many cases, this could be the one missing puzzle piece that a disability advocate cannot bring to the table to solidify a ruling in your favor. Finally, non-attorney disability advocates cannot file an appeal in federal district court. If and when you reach this step in the process, it will be crucial that your case is supported by compelling evidence and that successful cross-examinations are on the record in your case file. Compensation. Both disability lawyers and disability advocates require a comparable amount of compensation. The amount you'll be required to pay them depends both on the success of your case and the amount of Social Security disability benefits you're granted. Because it can take months or even years to get through the Social Security process, you'll likely be entitled to back due payments. These are Social Security payments that you would have received from the moment your initial application was reviewed had it been approved in the first place. Both disability lawyers and disability advocates will often receive payment in the form of 25% of those back due payments up to a legal limit. The right lawyer. When you're looking for the right disability lawyer to represent your case, look for law firms that have filed successful appeals in the past. Check their reviews from previous clients. Talk to people who have already been through the process and find out who represented them and how they felt they did. If you're ready to start your application for Social Security disability benefits, start with a free consultation with our firm. We're glad to discuss your case with you free of charge before you make any commitments. Thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you. And before you go, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.